Assalamu alaikum. Today our lecture is on regression analysis. In regression, we study the dependence of one variable upon one or more other variables. Regression investigates the dependence of one variable, that is generally called the dependent variable, on one or more other variables that are usually known as independent variables. Regression provides an equation that is used to estimate or predict the average value of the dependent variable from the known values of the independent variables. The relation between the expected value of the dependent variable and independent variable is called regression relation. Dependent variable is generally denoted by capital letter Y and is assumed to be random variable, whereas independent variables are generally denoted by capital letter X with subscript, and they are non-random variables and have fixed values. Simple linear regression. When there is only one independent variable in regression analysis, then it is called simple regression, otherwise multiple regression. When the dependence is represented by a straight line equation, the regression is said to be linear, otherwise it is said to be curvilinear. This means that when there is only one independent variable and the regression is represented by a straight line, then it is called simple linear regression. In regression study, a variable whose variation we try to explain is a dependent variable, while an independent variable is a variable that is used to explain the variation in the dependent variable. Next is coefficient of determination. It measures the proportion of variability of the values of the dependent variable y explained by its linear relationship with the independent variable x. Coefficient of determination is denoted by r square, or its take values between 0 and 1. When the value of r square is equals to 0, it means there is no linear relationship between two variables. When r square is equals to 1, it means that total variation in the dependent variable is due to its linear relationship with the independent variable. If r square is equals to 0.93, this means that 93% of the variability in y is explained by its linear relationship with the independent variable x, and 7% of the variation is due to chance or other factors. The dependent variable is also known as the regressant, the predictant, the response, the explained variable, whereas the independent variable is also called the regressor, the predictor, the regression variable, and the explanatory variable.